Let's pick a 9-set big order for a cute girl from Kentucky. It has been our biggest order until last month when 11-set order from Hungary was placed. Thanks for supporting. She already received the package. The first set is juicy strawberry gummies. The second is macaron starry sky, a popular fairy tale style design. The third one is Aurora mermaid, another sparkly cat eye design. The fourth is flowers in the water, a colorful cat eye design. The fifth is cat party, a set of popular nails. The sixth is stockings and shoes, also cat eye design. The seventh is juicy grapefruit, refreshing 3D fruit theme design. The last one is Legends of the Moon, a dreamy cat eye design. Haha, I guess this sweetie must be a big fan of our cat eye nails. All nails are kept in boxes and well wrapped, and each set comes with a complimentary nail application kit. Thanks for watching.